the motion as well as the explanation of Mr. San Andres, together with the clarification of Yusek Carlos Carag. We second the motion. You are cited in contempt of this committee, Mr. San Andres. We can now proceed.
We still need him here, Mr. Chair. Siguro mamaya na lang yung USA will take him downstairs.
Yes. After the committee hearing is suspended, the USA will escort Mr. San Andres to the basement. We can, okay, Ms. Gubaton, sino si Ms. Nacario?
She was my appraiser po for the entries that I've registered.
Anong role is she here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong role niya dito sa pagpasok at pag-process nitong Burgess? Ikaw, examiner.
Yes po.
Di ba?
Yes po.
O siya, anong role niya?
Siya po, chine-check niya po yung duties and taxes din po for finality din.
So, kayo ang kumakausap sa Burgess. Ikaw tsaka siya.
Through ticket po, yes.
Through?
Through ticket. Through portal po.
Through portal?
Yes po.
O, hindi kayo humaharap ng personal?
Hindi po.
Hindi mo kilala si Mr. Pascual?
Hindi po.
Never kayo nagkausap ni Mr. Pascual?
Hindi po.
Si Mr. Tenoro?
Hindi rin po.
Ha? Tenero?
Si Tenero po, nakikita ko na siya sa Subic po.
Oh, sabi mo through portal. Ngayon, nagkikita kayo.
Hindi po kasi minsan, sir, nag-walk through naman ang mga brokers and processors po sa ano. Pero very limited lang po yung...
Si Mr. Jacinto?
No po.
Si Miss Desagun?
Hindi po.
Si Miss... Gedaria?
No po. Pero familiar lang din po kasi may nagagawa. May mga... ano rin po siya.
Pero si Mr. Tenero, familiar ka?
Yes po.
Oh, bakit? Bakit siya particular ang kilala mo? Tenero is 1024.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Si Mr. Go ahead. What's your answer? Bakit yung iba hindi mo kilala? Tapos sabi mo e-portal pero si Ms. Tenero kilala mo. Anong pag-uusap ninyo? Meron ba?
Wala, sir. Pero kasi, sir, yung Subic po kasi is maliit lang na port siya. So...
Okay. Where is Mr. Nacario? Miss Nacario?
I think sa waiting, ano po.
Can we ever called here, please? So, kayo ni Miss Nacario, Miss Gubaton, ang nag-process nung Burgess, nag-process nung 1024 at yung EPCB, tama?
1024 and Burgess lang po, Your Honor.
Okay. So, masasabi ba ninyong naging masusi ang inyong pag-proseso ng kanilang mga dokumento? Siguro in hindsight, hindi, no?
Sir, I'm sorry po, pero yun lang po kasi, nag-base lang po kasi talaga rin kami sa documents that were sent in portal po.
Where is Miss Nacario?
I think papunta na po.
Okay. Kayo ni Miss Nacario, where are you?
Ms. Nacario, kindly stand and state your oath. Please raise your right hand and answer my question. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry?
Yes po.
Okay, thank you. Take your seat.
Tama ba na sa inyo naka-assign bilang appraiser at assessment division yung Burgess tsaka yung 1024?
Good morning po, Mr. Chair. Yes po, sa akin po naka-assign yung
Pagka ganyan, sino nag-assign sa inyo?
automatic assignment po kasi yun, sir, under our arms. So may system po yung BOC, the automatic routing monitoring system. So once na-lodge po ng broker, Mr. Chair, it will be automatically assigned to examiner and the appraisers po.
So, walang discretion ang supervisors ninyo to assign birches or any other consignee sa inyo?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ba't mo pa inisip?
Kasi automatic assignment po talaga, Mr.
So, hindi
Chair.
inassign sa inyo ni Mr. Stanislao yung birches tsaka yung 1024?
Ay, hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi rin inassign sa inyo ni Joey San Andres?
Hindi din po, Mr. Chair.
So, kayo ang nag-assess ng shipment, tama?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Nagtutulungan kayo at nag-assist kayo ni Ms. Gubato?
Ang process po kasi namin, Mr. Chair, sa assessment, so once na-lodge na po ng broker yung entry, so isi-send po niya yun sa portal system po ng BOC online. And then from there, magkakaroon po yun ng ticket, Mr. Chair, and then it will be forwarded to the assigned examiner. And then yung assigned examiner po will register the entry upon matapos po niya yung pag-check ng lahat po ng document. Kung in order na lang, naman po and kompleto, so it will be forwarded po sa assigned appraiser. So ako po, Mr. Chair, as the assigned appraiser, my function po is number one, to check the completeness of the document. Dun po sa na-upload na ticket. And then after po that, kung kumpleto naman po, Mr. Chair, then I will review all the works and findings na ginawa po dun sa registered entry. Pagka tama naman po yung tariff classification ng goods, pati po yung value po ng product, so pwede ko na po siyang i-assess para po mabayaran yung duties and taxes, Mr. Chair. And then para po pumasok po yung payment ng tax in the bank.
At any given instance, nakipag-usap ba kayo well, you were assigned birches, no? And 1024, were you able to talk to the consignee, the brokers?
Katulad po na sinabi po ni Ms. Gubaton, we are really communicating through our portals. For example po, Mr. Chair.
So you never sat down with birches or EPCB? Wala silang courtesy call or meeting with you?
No po, Mr. Chair. Ang communication po namin, for example, to cite an example po, kunyari, if kailangan po namin ng proof of payment, nagko-communicate po kami through the portals, and then i-send po namin yon sa ticket owner, and then sila
Yes,
po,
yes po.
Sorry po.
Basic question. So wala kayong,
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
hindi nyo nakausap si Miss Gedaria,
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
si Miss Desagun,
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
si Mr. Temero.
Hindi din po, Mr. Chair.
So wala.
Wala po.
Okay. So paano nyo natitiyak na ma-avoid ninyo yung ganung klaseng mga pangyayari? Baka yun ang dahilan. Kaya nakakalusot. Kasi si Mr. Howla yung may-ari ng EPCB pero Panda delivery driver lang pala siya. Si Miss Gedaria, hindi naman kilala siya daw ang broker ng EPCB pero hindi naman kilala ni Mr. Pascual. Hindi niyo trabaho na tiyakin na maayos yung dokumento? Maayos yung paghanda? Kilala, di ba?
Since documentary process lang po yung function po sa side ng appraiser, so usually pagka may kailangan lang po kaming mga documents, yun lang po yung time na magko-communicate kami through portals po, Mr. Chair.
Well, obviously, your process is flawed. Di ba? Dahil Panda driver delivery, nakapasok ng 130 million worth of smuggled goods. Diba? Magkano yung sa Tenero? 40 million worth of goods. Hindi naman, diba? Miss Gedaria, hindi naman kilala si EPCB. Paano nakakalusot yun sa inyo? Would you care to explain paano nakalusot? Kayo ang appraiser, kayo ang examiner, Miss Gubaton. Ano ini-examine ninyo? Dokumento lang. Kahit nga yung dokumento hindi daw siya nakapirma Obviously, you have no answer, right?
As per our function po in the assessment, documentary evidence po talaga, Mr. Chair. Ngayon, pag may nakita po kaming discrepancy, opo.
The technical explanation that are you convinced that your answer actually will convince us that this mess, the BOC in Subic has nothing to do with this mess, and you as examiner and appraiser are just doing your job? If you're doing your job, this shouldn't have happened. Do you agree? You don't have to answer that because it might incriminate you. But if you were doing your job, this kind of messy situation of falsified documents, of brokers who don't know each other, of consignees who are pretending to be consignees but are panda delivery drivers. If you're doing your job, none of this will happen. So, yung paliwanag ninyong paulit-ulit does not carry much weight, Ms. Nacario. And moving forward, the Bureau of Customs should clean up that mess. This is unacceptable. Anyway, we will... Mr. Senator Erwin, do you still have other questions for the time being, for the
Yes,
because we will proceed to the next one. Okay, go ahead.
yes, Mr. Chair. Well, Ms. Nacario, sabi mo kanina, hindi mo nakakausap itong mga broker.
Yes po, Mr.
Never
Chair.
at
Yes
all.
po, Your Honor.
You be careful with what you say. Because I can prove right now, because I'm talking to someone, that you are in constant communication. Kilala mo lahat ito. Do not. May contact ka dito, nakakausap mo. As a matter of fact, Mr. Chair, na totoo lang, lahat naman ng mga broker ito, Mr. Chair, alam nila kung ano ang laman ng container na pinaparating beforehand. Nasasabihan na, Mr. Chair. Kasi kung walang timbre, Mr. Chair, lulusot at lulusot. Kaya nga doon, Mr. Chair, napansin mo, karamihan ng agricultural sa Subic, kasi malayo, Mr. Chair. Hindi sila po pwede sa POM, hindi pwede sa MICP kasi nandoon yung commissioner, nandoon sila Marunilla, nahuhuli. Pero ito sa Subic, magkakilala yan, Mr. Chair. So do not get me. Do not, ika nga, paikot-ikutin pa kami rito because nakakausap mo yan. Itong kausap ko ngayon dito sa cellphone ka-text ko, nakakausap mo yan. I'm just waiting for pictures na nakakausap mo yung mga yan. Do not wait for me to come up with pictures na nakakausap mo itong mga broker na ito, na dumadaan sa'yo, nakakausap mo, kaya imposibleng sasabihan mo na hindi mo kilala, hindi mo na ako puro documentary. Kanina mo pa pinapaikot-ikot kami, kaya natatawa lang ako eh. Wag mo nang pilitin, Iha, because of the fact na baka ikaw yung sumunod, masasite ng contempt, I have to explain. So do not fool us na hindi mo nakakausap ito. Ito ba po pwede, itong si Gubaton, na kapopromote lang nito eh. Tama, Ms. Gubaton?
Actually, no sir, hindi po ako na-promote.
Kaya nga, may bago ka pa lang dyan. How long you been there?
Actually, magto 2 years pa lang po ako.
Kaya nga, anong rango mo dati?